Alright, what is going on YouTube? It is Alex from 𝗙𝗃 back again with another video. We're changing the setup once again, unfortunately, trying to find what's working out with this new camera. And today we have got the JETech cell phone case for the iPhone 15 Pro. So on the top right of your screen, you can see that I made a video regarding the JETech case, the same exact one, matter of fact, except in the black color. And today we have got it in the blue color, as you guys can see. So in that last video that we just posted, we had bought it on recording in set, and today here it is. We're gonna review it, we're gonna unbox it, and we're gonna see if it's really worth it compared to the black JETech case that I have on the 15 Pro right now. So matter of fact, I have the blue titanium 15 Pro, as you guys can see right there. And now with the black case, I did find it pretty interesting. It was like a nice little cool match. Kind of like off contrast, two shades, and today I wanted to see if the blue one was like gonna make any difference, if it was gonna look better, if it was gonna match better, or if it was just going to be way too similar, which is why I picked it up in the blue color. So I cannot wait to check it out, and without any further ado, let's roll the intro and get right into the unboxing. Alright, so we have got it right over here, the JETech blue cell phone case. I matter of fact have it on Amazon right over here. So this is the translucent matte back slim shockproof JETech phone case for the iPhone 15 Pro, as you guys can see right here on Amazon. And yeah, without any further ado, let's jump right into the unboxing. So we have a small little pull tab right over here. Let's just try to pull that right off. Whoops. I think it's gone. No, it's not. There's like two stickers on here. So we got through the first one, and there we go. We got through the second one. Let's set those aside, and we're gonna pull this flap right out. There you go. And there you go. That's all that's in the box. Again, the same instruction manual that we saw in our previous one. I wish my autofocus was better, but anyways, same instruction manual, all that. We're gonna set that right aside. There you go. And then we got the case right over here. There you go. So without any further ado, take that right off. Remove this plastic, and there you go. Immediately, straight out of the box, you can already see the blue right over there. So let me just zoom in right there. You guys can really see the blue contour. Very nice. So I'm just gonna set that aside, and there you go. That is the side-by-side with the black with the blue. So this blue is actually a lot more blue than the iPhone itself. I mean, it is a pretty surprising difference if you put it side by side. It's kind of like almost a gray or like a clay green color. But without any further ado, we're just gonna take off the black one. We're gonna wipe the 15 Pro, and there you go. Set that right on, and there it is. That is the blue JETech cell phone case for the iPhone 15 Pro. Pretty interesting. I mean, holding it in the hand, you guys can already see the difference right there. Like, you guys can see that difference. You can really see how it's matte back. And then the blue titanium, it kind of blends into this contour over here. Now, funny enough, the contour looks kind of green, as I mentioned in the introduction. It's kind of like clay. I'm not quite sure how I feel about it. It looks nice. I wouldn't say it exactly matches with the blue titanium. Now, if we open up the 15 Pro right over here, just gonna put the passcode right in. You guys can see that there's the blue color right over here, which is the one that I purchased. And if you keep on scrolling, there's also the storm blue color, which might be the one that matches the blue titanium better. So I would order it on recording once again, but You know what? We're going to Vancouver, so it would be delivered while I'm in Vancouver, which is why I'm thinking I should low-key call 𝗙𝗃𝗲𝗯 and ask him if I should order it and unbox it with him over in Vancouver. Should we do that? Let's do that. Hey Siri, call Eric. Eric, you better pick up.
One eternity later.
Man, Eric's
Your
probably...
call has been forwarded to voicemail.
Eric's filming some videos, man. Eric really ignored me. Eric, if you're watching this video, why did you ignore me, man? This guy's probably filming content. But anyways, it's all good. We're going to get on over to the storm blue color, as you guys can see right over here. And what are we gonna do? We are going to click that buy now button and swipe it just as so. There, guess what? Order has been placed right there. So guys, we are going to get this delivered tomorrow. We're gonna bring it over to Vancouver and we're gonna do a little quick unboxing with 𝗙𝗃𝗲𝗯. This guy, oh, he called back. He called back. He called back. Let's go. We're calling him right now. He called back.
Yo.
Yo, am I catching you at a bad time?
Yeah, I'm actually kind of.
Oh, actually, my bad. I'm on vlog right now. I wanted you to say what's up to a vlog.
Oh, yo, what's up, man?
What's up, vlog?
What's good?
So I just bought a case and we're gonna do like an unboxing once I come over to Vancouver.
Oh, nice. What case? What case?
It's a JETech magnetic case for the 15 Pro.
Oh. Let's go.
Let's go.
Is it JETech or JETech?
JETech? JETech? I don't know. It's kind of crazy.
JETech.
Yeah.
Yo, that's something, man. Hey, yo, by the way, check out my video. JETech case. You know what I'm saying?
Link is down in the description, guys. Go make sure to check out 𝗙𝗃𝗲𝗯 video. But hey man, I'm gonna let you get back to your work. And there you go, guys. 𝗙𝗃𝗲𝗯 did not ignore me. Let's go. And yeah, we got it up and running. We ordered the case. It's getting delivered tomorrow. Tuesday we're flying over to Vancouver and we're gonna do that unboxing with the one and only 𝗙𝗃𝗲𝗯. Anyways, that has been the blue JETech magnetic case for the 15 Pro. You might have seen me going like this because I'm thinking, how do you say JETech? Like, is it JETech? Is it JETech? JETech? Whatever it is, make sure to let me know in the comment section down below. Make sure to go check out 𝗙𝗃𝗲𝗯 JETech case videos. We're going to be dropping a bunch of fire content. And I know in the title of this video, it did say that it was a review. And it is pretty much the exact same case as the black one right over here. So I did make a video that will pop up right over here for the black JETech case. And that is where you guys can see my full in-depth review. So I cannot wait to catch you guys in the next one. And until then, stay techie.